We've represented people in medical malpractice cases against the government and made very substantial recoveries in those cases for these people. We also have represented people who were injured as a result of recreational negligence. Let's say, for example, that a piece of equipment was not installed correctly or was not put together correctly and fell over and injured or killed someone. The government's responsible for that. They're responsible for the employees who were supposed to handle that carefully. And if they were careless in handling the recreational equipment that causes an injury, they can be liable for that. The government, through its employees, is responsible for acting with reasonable care for the safety of others like anybody else would. Your duty when you drive a car is to exercise reasonable care in operating the car for the safety of others. And if you don't exercise reasonable care, that's another way of saying you're negligent, you're careless, then you're liable for the damages that you caused. The government works the same way. You have to look at each individual act that causes an injury or death and determine whether or not they acted reasonably at the time and place of the accident. Call Colson Hicks Edson 305-476-7400 or go to our website colson.com for more information.